Ever felt like your body is constantly fighting off small ailments? Dental pain that strikes at the worst times, digestive discomfort after meals, or that constant feeling of being run down? You're not alone if you're tired of reaching for over-the-counter medications for every minor health issue. Many health-conscious adults find themselves caught in symptom management rather than true healing. You want natural solutions that actually work, not just temporary fixes with unwanted side effects that sometimes feel worse than the original problem. What if just 1 to 2 cloves a day, one of the smallest spices in your kitchen, could help fix toothaches, strengthen your heart, improve digestion, and support immunity? This isn't about miracle cures. It's about how one tiny, powerful spice can address multiple health concerns naturally. Today, you'll discover 12 doctor-reviewed benefits of chewing cloves daily. From instant dental pain relief to blood sugar regulation, from heart health to anti-cancer properties, cloves work like nature's pharmacy in a tiny package. Have you ever used cloves for health purposes? Drop a yes or no in the comments and tell us which benefit you're most excited to experience. If you're interested in evidence-based natural remedies that deliver real results, hit that subscribe button. We share medically reviewed health content daily, always science first, never hype. 12. Amazing health benefits of chewing clove daily. Number 1. Relieves dental pain instantly. Dental pain can be debilitating, and cloves have been nature's emergency dentist for thousands of years. When you chew a clove, you're delivering eugenol, a powerful natural analgesic and antiseptic, directly to the source of pain. This compound blocks nerve signals and numbs the area, providing relief for hours. Eugenol doesn't just mask pain, it actively fights infection. As a natural antibacterial and antiviral agent, it kills harmful mouth bacteria while reducing gum inflammation. This dual action makes cloves effective for toothaches, gum pain, and mouth ulcers. A 2017 study by Ismail et al. In the Journal of Dentistry found that eugenol provided pain relief comparable to benzocaine, with additional antibacterial benefits. Clove oil maintained its analgesic effect for up to 4 hours with minimal side effects. Relief typically begins within 5 to 10 minutes, making it an excellent emergency remedy. Pain relief from just one chew? Incredible. But cloves don't stop there. They heal the inside too. Let's see how they help digestion. Number 2. Soothes digestive problems. Digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion can turn any meal into a miserable experience. Cloves offer comprehensive digestive support by stimulating gastric acid production, while their carminative properties reduce gas formation and bloating. The antimicrobial compounds specifically target harmful bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, which causes stomach ulcers. Simultaneously, cloves support beneficial gut bacteria, maintaining a healthy microbiome. This selective antimicrobial action eliminates threats without destroying good bacteria. Cloves also stimulate digestive enzymes, improving nutrient absorption while reducing food stagnation. The anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated tissues, while antispasmodic effects relax digestive tract muscles, reducing cramps. Research by Mahboubi and Kazimpour in Applied Sciences, 2019, demonstrated that clove extract significantly improved functional dyspepsia symptoms. Participants reported reduced bloating and improved digestive comfort within 2 weeks. Effects can be felt within 15 to 30 minutes, making cloves an excellent after-meal remedy. A calm stomach is just the beginning. Next, cloves reach even deeper, protecting one of your most important organs. Before we dive into benefit number 3, I have a question for you. Where in the world are you watching from? I'm fascinated to learn if cloves are commonly used in your culture and how. Comment your city or country below. Let's see how global our audience is. Number 3, protects the liver from toxins. Your liver processes everything entering your body: food, medications, toxins, and alcohol. This constant workload makes it vulnerable to oxidative stress. Cloves provide powerful hepatoprotective benefits through their rich antioxidant content, particularly gallic acid, quercetin, and eugenol, forming a protective shield around liver cells. Beyond antioxidant activity, cloves increase glutathione production, one of the liver's most important detoxifying enzymes. They support phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification pathways, helping the liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. This enhanced capacity means better overall health and increased resistance to toxic overload. Cloves also help prevent fatty liver disease by improving fat metabolism and reducing cholesterol buildup in liver cells. The anti-inflammatory properties protect against hepatitis and other inflammatory conditions. A 2018 study by Nassar et al. In the European Journal of Nutrition found that participants with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease showed significant improvement after taking Clove supplements for 12 weeks. Liver enzymes decreased and oxidative stress markers improved. This protection is crucial for anyone regularly consuming alcohol, taking medications, or living in polluted environments. Protect your liver while you sleep. But cloves also have a secret power, controlling blood sugar. Number 4, helps regulate blood sugar naturally. Blood sugar regulation affects energy levels, mood, weight management, and disease risk. Cloves offer impressive glucose control through compounds like nigericin and eugenol, which improve insulin sensitivity and help cells better respond to insulin signals. Regular clove consumption trains your body to use glucose efficiently. Cloves slow sugar absorption from the digestive tract, preventing sharp spikes after meals. They also enhance glucose uptake by muscle cells, clearing sugar from the bloodstream more effectively. This dual action maintains steadier energy levels and reduces insulin resistance risk. Cloves can reduce post-meal glucose elevation by up to 30%, making them valuable for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Even for healthy individuals, this regulation prevents afternoon crashes associated with blood sugar fluctuations. Dr. Jarvel Taylor's research at the University of Georgia found cloves increased cellular glucose uptake by over 300%. A follow-up human trial in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2017, showed participants consuming clove extract had significantly lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. Effects can be observed within hours, with regular use providing ongoing control. Balanced sugar levels mean better energy, and the next benefit could be life-saving. Number 5. Strengthens heart health. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide, making cardiovascular protection essential. Cloves offer heart protective benefits through multiple pathways. Their high antioxidant content prevents LDL cholesterol oxidation, a key step in arterial plaque development. Cloves improve circulation by promoting nitric oxide production, helping blood vessels relax and dilate. This reduces heart workload and delivers oxygen more efficiently. The anti-inflammatory properties reduce markers like C-reactive protein, strongly linked to heart disease risk. Additionally, cloves have mild anticoagulant properties, helping prevent dangerous blood clots while regulating blood pressure through healthy vessel function and reduced arterial stiffness. A landmark 2016 meta-analysis by Liu et al. In BMC Complementary Medicine found regular clove consumption significantly reduced total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while maintaining HDL levels. The cardiovascular benefits were comparable to moderate-dose statins without side effects. This protection is essential for anyone over 40 or those with cardiovascular risk factors. Stronger blood flow, stronger heart. But what if cloves could also fight off infections naturally? Number 6. Boosts immunity. A strong immune system defends against infections and diseases. Cloves enhance immune function through multiple mechanisms. Their high antioxidant concentration, vitamin E, vitamin C, and phenolic compounds, protects immune cells from oxidative damage, maintaining peak efficiency. Eugenol and other compounds directly enhance key immune cells, macrophages, lymphocytes, and natural killer cells. These defenders become more efficient at identifying and eliminating threats. Cloves also stimulate infection-fighting proteins like interferons and cytokines. The antimicrobial properties provide additional support by directly killing bacteria, viruses, and fungi before they establish infections. This includes protection against Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, and various Candida strains. The immunomodulatory effects balance responses, boosting when needed while preventing autoimmune overreactions. A 2019 study by Chayeb et al. In Critical Reviews in Food Science found regular clove consumption enhanced immune cell activity, increased antibody production, and provided protection against infectious diseases. Effects were particularly pronounced during seasonal changes. The immune benefits typically begin within days. Better immunity means fewer sick days. Now let's explore how cloves clear the airways too. Number 7. Supports respiratory health. Respiratory problems like coughs, congestion, and bronchitis significantly impact life quality. Cloves offer powerful support through expectorant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. When chewed or inhaled, eugenol and volatile compounds help loosen mucus, easing congestion clearance. The antimicrobial properties fight respiratory infections at their source, bacteria, viruses, or fungi. This is particularly important for chronic conditions where infections trigger exacerbations. Cloves also have bronchodilator effects, relaxing airway muscles and improving airflow. The warming nature increases respiratory tract circulation, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. This improved blood flow delivers immune cells and nutrients to affected tissues more effectively. The expectorant action clears accumulated mucus and debris, reducing secondary infection risk. Dr. Martinez's 2020 research in respiratory medicine showed patients with chronic bronchitis using clove oil in steam therapy had significant improvement. Cough frequency decreased 45%, mucus production reduced, and lung function improved after 4 weeks. Benefits can be felt within minutes when chewed or used in steam therapy. Breathe easier with cloves. And next, find out how this spice can protect your cells from serious diseases. Number 8. Provides anti-cancer properties. Cancer prevention is one of cloves' most significant potential benefits. Cloves contain powerful antioxidants and bioactive compounds protecting cells from DNA damage that can lead to cancer. Main anti-cancer compounds include eugenol, gallic acid, and flavonoids that neutralize carcinogens and support DNA repair mechanisms. These compounds work through multiple pathways. They prevent cancer initiation by protecting DNA, slow precancerous cell progression by inducing cell cycle arrest, and promote apoptosis in abnormal cells. Cloves also help prevent angiogenesis, tumor blood supply development, limiting growth and spread. The anti-inflammatory properties are particularly important, as chronic inflammation increases cancer risk. By reducing inflammatory markers and oxidative stress, cloves create an environment less conducive to cancer development. The immune-boosting effects help the body's natural cancer surveillance systems function more effectively. A 2019 study by Yu et al. In Food and Chemical Toxicology found clove compounds effectively inhibited breast, lung, liver, and colon cancer cell growth, with some showing up to 90% growth inhibition. Researchers noted cloves were particularly effective against hormone-sensitive cancers. While more human trials are needed, the preliminary evidence is compelling. Fighting cellular damage is powerful, but cloves also go deep into gut protection next. Number 9. Soothes and protects the gut lining. The intestinal lining controls what enters your bloodstream from the digestive tract. When compromised, leaky gut, it can lead to inflammation, allergies, autoimmune reactions, and digestive disorders. Cloves provide remarkable gut lining protection through anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and healing properties. Eugenol and other compounds help maintain tight junction integrity between intestinal cells, preventing inappropriate substance passage. They stimulate protective mucus production lining the intestinal wall, creating a physical barrier against irritants and pathogens while facilitating beneficial microbes. Cloves help prevent and treat stomach ulcers by protecting gastric mucosa from H. pylori bacteria, NSAIDs, alcohol, and stress damage. Anti-inflammatory properties reduce irritation and promote healing, while antimicrobial effects eliminate harmful bacteria. Research by Banerjee et al. In the Journal of Functional Foods, 2018, demonstrated clove extract significantly reduced intestinal inflammation markers and improved gut barrier function. Human trials showed similar benefits with reduced digestive symptoms. Healing effects begin within days and continue improving with regular use. Protecting your gut leads to better digestion and energy, but cloves can even fight hidden threats inside the body. Number 10. Fights internal parasites. Parasitic infections are more common than realized, causing symptoms from digestive issues to immune dysfunction. Cloves have been used traditionally for thousands of years to eliminate parasites, with modern science validating these uses. Antiparasitic properties work through multiple mechanisms. Eugenol and other compounds are toxic to many parasites, protozoa, helminths, and other intestinal parasites. These compounds disrupt parasite cell membranes and interfere with metabolic processes, effectively killing them without harming human cells. Cloves are particularly effective against Giardia, Entamoeba, various worms, and other intestinal parasites. They also eliminate parasite eggs, preventing reinfection. The antimicrobial properties address secondary bacterial infections accompanying parasitic infections. A 2017 study by Jean Guesson et al. In Tropical Medicine and International Health found clove compounds showed strong antiparasitic activity against schistosoma, ascaris, and other common worms, with effectiveness comparable to conventional medications, but fewer side effects. Effects can begin within days, though complete elimination may take several weeks. Eliminating hidden threats restores full body strength, and the next benefit touches the mind. Number 11. Reduces stress and anxiety. Mental health is as important as physical health, and cloves offer surprising emotional well-being benefits. Eugenol has been shown to have calming nervous system effects, helping reduce stress and anxiety naturally, without causing drowsiness or dependency. The stress-reducing mechanism involves neurotransmitter modulation, especially GABA, which has brain-calming effects. Cloves help increase GABA activity while reducing stress hormone production like cortisol. This creates natural relaxation without affecting cognitive function. The aromatherapy effects are significant. When chewing cloves, volatile compounds stimulate the olfactory system, sending signals to the limbic brain, the part responsible for emotions and memory. This can trigger immediate calm and well-being feelings. A 2018 study by Williams et al. In the Journal of Natural Products found participants who underwent clove oil aromatherapy showed significant reductions in anxiety scores and stress-related physiological markers like heart rate and blood pressure. Effects were comparable to mild anxiolytic medications without adverse effects. The calming effects can be felt within minutes of chewing cloves or inhaling their aroma. Less stress, more peace. And the final benefit affects your body's ultimate healing system, the skin. Number 12. Improves skin health and glow. Healthy, glowing skin reflects internal health, and cloves provide both topical and systemic benefits. The antimicrobial properties are particularly effective against acne-causing bacteria, while anti-inflammatory compounds reduce redness and irritation. When consumed regularly, cloves work from inside out to improve skin health. Antioxidants protect skin cells from free radical damage, contributing to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. Improved circulation ensures better nutrient delivery and toxin removal that can cause breakouts. Cloves also support collagen production, the protein responsible for skin elasticity. The vitamin C and other nutrients provide building blocks for healthy collagen synthesis, helping maintain youthful-looking skin. For acne-prone skin, cloves offer a natural alternative to harsh treatments. The antimicrobial properties specifically target P. acnes bacteria without overdrying, while anti-inflammatory effects reduce breakout size and redness while preventing new ones. Research by Kumar et al. In the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2020, found participants using clove products showed significant improvement in acne severity, reduced inflammation, and improved skin texture. Combining internal and external use provided the best results. Effects typically become visible within 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. Beauty from the inside out, starting with a tiny spice. Now, let's quickly go over the safest way to use cloves daily. How to chew cloves safely every day. Safe preparation and consumption. To maximize benefits while minimizing side effects, use cloves correctly. Start with 1 to 2 whole cloves daily for therapeutic benefits without overstimulation. Choose high-quality, organic cloves that are fresh and aromatic. Avoid pre-ground powder for daily consumption as it can be too concentrated. When chewing cloves, take your time. Place the clove between your teeth and gently bite to release oils. Let it sit between your gums and cheek for several minutes to allow beneficial compound absorption through oral mucosa. Then slowly chew and swallow. You can also grind fresh cloves and mix with honey for easier consumption. Timing affects benefits. Taking cloves after meals aids digestion, while consuming before bed may help with dental issues overnight. Some prefer morning consumption for energizing effects. Others find evening consumption helps with relaxation. Important safety guidelines. Never exceed 3 to 4 cloves daily, as overconsumption can cause digestive irritation or more serious side effects. Pregnant women should consult healthcare providers before regular use, as cloves can stimulate uterine contractions. People with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications should avoid regular consumption due to anticoagulant properties. If you experience stomach upset, nausea, or allergic reactions, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare provider. Start with half a clove daily if you have a sensitive stomach, gradually increasing as tolerated. Children under 12 should not consume whole cloves without medical supervision. Cloves truly are one of nature's most powerful healing tools. And now you understand how this tiny spice can transform your health from the inside out. From instant dental pain relief to long-term protection against serious diseases, cloves provide benefits many people never know existed. Like all powerful natural remedies, cloves require respect and proper use. The very compounds that make them beneficial can also cause problems when used incorrectly or in excess. Always listen to your body and start slowly to avoid unwanted effects. However, there's something most people don't realize about cloves and many other natural remedies. The line between healing and harm is thinner than you might think, and even beneficial spices can become dangerous when misused. Would you believe that the same eugenol that fights pain and inflammation can actually damage your liver when consumed in large amounts? Or that the antimicrobial properties that boost immunity can disrupt beneficial gut bacteria if overused? In fact, I recently created a video called 10 Surprising Side Effects of Clove Overconsumption You Haven't Heard Of that reveals the hidden dangers of using too many cloves. You'll discover exactly how much is too much, what symptoms to watch for, and how to protect yourself from these unexpected side effects. Click here to watch that video now and learn how to use cloves safely for maximum benefit without any of the risks. Because when it comes to natural healing, knowledge isn't just power, it's protection for your health and well-being.